In this video, I'm going to show you how you can verify and link your phone number to your KuCoin account. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Firstly, I want to let you know about this special offer so you can get free money just by creating a KuCoin account. You just need to create your account with the referral link in the description below, or you can also just paste the referral code at the sign up form. And this way you will enjoy different offers to get free money. As you can see, here are some of the different offers running right now. So there is this welcome bonus blitz where you can get 200 USDT. You also have an airdrop and some cash bonus. You can also scroll down to see more offers. In this case, it says 0 because I already have an account. But if you click the referral link, you will always see some different offers where you can claim free money just by creating your account. This is very easy. Just go to your profile picture or your profile right here. Then go to security. And now if you scroll down, you should find phone. So we will have the option to link a phone number. Firstly, it will ask you for an email verification, so you just need to paste the code sent to your email. And after that, you can just put your phone number right here, click send, and they will automatically send a verification code to your phone number. So after that, just click activate and you will have your phone number linked to KuCoin. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.